These clever products are making life easier for thousands of people, and you'll quickly see exactly why. Shred meat in seconds with the electric chicken shredder. This USB rechargeable cordless tool features 2 timer modes to quickly shred chicken, beef, or pork for tacos, salads, sandwiches, and more. Fast, effortless, and perfect for home cooking. It saves time while delivering perfectly shredded meat every time. Get yours today for just $50. Prep ingredients faster with the Bad Elite Mini Garlic Slicer. This multifunctional kitchen tool slices, shreds, and grinds garlic, ginger, and vegetables with ease. Featuring a built-in container for mess-free prep, it's compact, convenient, and perfect for everyday cooking. Save time in the kitchen and grab yours today for just $10. Slice and shred in seconds with the Presto Salad Shooter Electric Slicer/Shredder. From cheese and vegetables to fruits and nuts, it makes meal prep quick, easy, and mess-free. Just point and shoot ingredients exactly where you need them. Save time in the kitchen and get yours today for just $46. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Make homemade baby food the easy way with the Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe. It automatically steams and blends fruits and vegetables in one simple step, with auto shutoff for added convenience. Dishwasher safe and complete with reusable pouches and funnels, it's perfect for healthy meals on the go. Cut prep time like never before with this all-in-one vegetable chopper. Featuring 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it slices, dices, chops, grates, and creates perfect French fries with ease. The built-in container keeps your workspace clean while making salads and meal prep faster than ever. Get this ultimate kitchen multitasker for $70. Bring restaurant-quality cooking home with the Behome Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer. Bake crispy stone-fired pizzas, air-fry healthier meals, roast, bake, and more with 9 smart cooking presets. Its 6.5-quart family-size capacity, viewing window, an adjustable 105 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature make every meal quick, easy, and delicious. Bring dull blades back to life with the Longzon 6-in-1 Knife Sharpener. Featuring 5 sharpening stages and a cut-resistant glove for added safety, it quickly sharpens, restores, and polishes knives and scissors with ease. A must-have kitchen tool for safer, smoother cutting. Yours for just $20. Make breakfast in minutes with the Dash Round Express Electric Breakfast Maker. Perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more, it heats up quickly and features a non-stick surface for effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Compact, fast, and ideal for busy mornings. Upgrade your breakfast routine today for just $30. Organize your spices effortlessly with the Mustorn 2-pack pull-out spice rack organizer. Featuring a 2-tier metal design and smooth slide-out function, it provides easy access to all your seasonings. No drilling required, durable, space-saving, and perfect for keeping your kitchen cabinets neat and tidy. Slice, chop, and prep like a pro with the SupMaKin Safe Mandoline Slicer. Designed for safety and convenience, this versatile kitchen tool features adjustable thickness settings for perfectly sliced potatoes, vegetables, and more. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it makes meal prep a breeze. All for just $40. Struggling to stay focused? The Ticktime TK3 Pomodoro Timer Cube is your ultimate productivity companion. Featuring 5, 10, 30, and 60-minute presets, custom countdowns, stopwatch, clock, and triple alarm modes with sound, vibration, or silent alerts. Perfect for studying, work, and ADHD task management. Stay on track for just $44. Make breakfast faster and easier with the JEETEE 3-in-1 Divided Egg Pan. Cook eggs, bacon, and pancakes at the same time with its smart multi-section design. Featuring a titanium-enhanced non-stick coating that's PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free, it's safe, durable, and induction compatible. Upgrade your morning routine today for just $18. Grind with precision using the Secura electric coffee spice grinder. Featuring 2 removable stainless steel bowls and dedicated blades for coffee beans and spices, it delivers fresh flavor in seconds. Easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for every kitchen. Upgrade your daily routine for just $40. Save space and stay organized on the go with the SupMaKin 4 PCS collapsible bowls with lids. Made from durable silicone, these expandable food containers fold flat for easy storage and travel. Perfect for salads, snacks, lunches, and camping meals, they come with secure lids to keep food fresh. Lightweight, reusable, and adventure-ready. All for just $19. Keep your toppings, fruits, and garnishes fresh and perfectly organized with the 5-compartment stainless steel chilled condiment tray. Featuring 5 removable compartments, a durable stainless steel design, and a protective lid, this chilled serving tray is perfect for parties, taco bars, cocktail stations, and meal prep. Convenient, stylish, and easy to clean, it keeps everything within reach and ready to serve. All for just $43. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost with the electric kitchen composter. This 4L indoor composting machine features odor-free operation, dual carbon filters, an upgraded brushless motor, auto-clean function, and a smart LED display. Reduce food waste effortlessly while keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Go green from your countertop for just $221. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the OXO Good Grips silicone steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Make meal prep faster and cleaner with this 2-pack 2-in-1 stainless steel garlic peeler. Effortlessly remove garlic skins in seconds while keeping your hands odor-free. It also works great for peeling carrots, ginger, and other vegetables. Durable, multifunctional, and easy to use. This handy kitchen tool delivers big convenience for only $10. Protect your cookware and keep it looking like new with REZIVI pot and pan protectors. These durable 3D mesh pads prevent scratches, dents, and damage when stacking pots and pans. Available in 3 convenient sizes, they help extend the life of your favorite cookware. All for just $12. Cook delicious meals anywhere with the Audecook 2L Electric Hot Pot. Featuring an 8-inch ceramic glazed non-stick pan, dual power settings, and a portable design, it's perfect for ramen, steak, fried rice, soup, and more. Complete with a silicone spatula, it's the ultimate travel-friendly cooker. Get yours today for just $39. Chop ingredients in seconds with the Audecook manual food processor. This portable 500 milliliters pull-string chopper effortlessly chops garlic, onions, vegetables, ginger, fruits, nuts, and herbs. No electricity needed. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick meal prep at home or on the go. Get yours today for just $13. Make baking easier with the 600W electric hand mixer set. This powerful handheld mixer comes with 6 stainless steel nesting mixing bowls, giving you everything you need for mixing, whipping, and baking. Durable, space-saving, and perfect for every home kitchen. Upgrade your baking experience today for just $60. Make fresh homemade tortillas with ease using the Alpha Living 8-inch cast iron tortilla press. Built from heavy-duty cast iron, it's perfect for pressing tortillas, quesadillas, empanadas, and more. Durable, easy to use, and ideal for every home kitchen. Bring authentic flavors to your table for just $18. Cook pasta like a pro with the AutoLift commercial pasta cooker. Featuring 4 cooking baskets, automatic lift with timer, and adjustable temperature control, it makes perfect spaghetti, ramen, dumplings, and vegetables effortless. Fast, efficient, and ideal for busy kitchens or serious home cooks. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks every day with this 4-in-1 cold press juicer. Featuring a 6.5-inch extra-large chute and a powerful AC motor, it juices whole fruits and vegetables with ease. Make fresh juice, nut milk, and sorbet, all with easy cleanup and a spacious 120-ounce capacity. Get yours today for just $80. Cook anywhere with the Drizzle Foldable Electric Travel Cooker. Featuring dual voltage compatibility from 100V to 240V and food-grade silicone construction, it's perfect for boiling water, noodles, soup, porridge, and steaming meals. Compact, foldable, and ideal for travel, camping, hotels, dorms, or the office. Grab this portable cooking essential for just $50. Prep meals in minutes with the JEETEE electric food processor. Powered by a robust 450W copper motor, it effortlessly chops vegetables, grinds meat, and crushes nuts with dual bi-level blades. Featuring 2 spacious 8-cup bowls, it's perfect for fast, efficient, and mess-free cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the N21NA Pro 8-in-1 multi-cooker. Its spacious 10-quart capacity lets you slow cook, steam, grill, and more in one appliance. Featuring a PFOA-free ceramic coating plus a grill pan and steaming plate, it's perfect for making delicious family meals with ease. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Keenstone Smart Touch Screen Toaster. Featuring a sleek retro design, extra-wide slots, and an intuitive touchscreen, it delivers perfect toast every time. Choose from 6 browning levels, plus reheat and defrost functions for ultimate convenience. Ideal for bagels, bread, and more, all for just $43. Make fresh, homemade pet meals with ease using the all-in-one pet food maker. It cooks, mixes, and prepares nutritious, human-grade pet food in about an hour. With a generous 4.5-quart capacity, it's the simple way to serve healthy, delicious meals your furry friend will love. Cook perfect rice every time with the Rice Robot Rice Cooker. It prepares up to 8 cups of fluffy rice, features a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot, and includes a stainless steel steamer tray for healthy veggies and more. Fast, convenient, and perfect for family meals. Enjoy fresh citrus juice with zero effort using the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. Just press one button and let it squeeze oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits automatically. Its powerful, mess-free design is easy to clean and perfect for everyday use. Bring cafe-quality juice to your kitchen for just $120. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice, these foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Strip corn kernels in seconds with the Dream Farm Core Peel. This clever, mess-free corn peeler glides smoothly down the cob, removing kernels quickly and safely without the hassle of a knife. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for salads, soups, and side dishes, all for just $13. Love cooking with fresh garlic? The Joseph Garlic Rocker Crusher makes mincing garlic quick, easy, and mess-free. Its innovative rocking design crushes garlic effortlessly, while the durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Best of all, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Upgrade your kitchen tools today for just $20. Bring the fun of dessert night home with the Lushium Electric Chocolate Fondue Pot Set. Melt chocolate or cheese to perfection with its 4-cup capacity, complete with serving trays, forks, and a spatula for easy dipping. Perfect for couples, family gatherings, date nights, and holiday celebrations. Create delicious memories for just $35. Keep your herbs fresh longer with the Prepera Herb Saver Eco. This smart storage solution helps preserve cilantro, parsley, mint, and other fresh herbs for weeks by maintaining the perfect moisture balance. Its compact, eco-friendly design fits easily in your refrigerator, reducing food waste and saving money. Fresh herbs made simple for just $28. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Make barbecue prep faster and cleaner with the Drip Easy Collapsible Barbecue Prep Tubs 2-piece set. Marinate, store, and prep food with ease using these extra-large tubs, complete with a cutting board and secure lid. Collapsible for space-saving storage and built for serious grill masters. Get this versatile two-piece set today for just $100. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Nesapto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install, all for just $25. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the Stoke Voltaics Nomad cooking system. This all-in-one portable cooking kit includes a powerful 1000W electric stove, windproof pan and pot, and a convenient carrying bag. Perfect for RVs, EVs, van life, overlanding, and car camping, it delivers reliable cooking wherever your adventures take you. All for just $220. Keep your countertops clean and organized with the Zuli Kitchen Spoon Rest. Made from high heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it holds multiple utensils at once while catching drips and spills. Perfect for spoons, tongs, and spatulas, this simple kitchen helper makes cooking easier. And it's yours for just $10.